Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go!
Finding the final speed of this crate is actually super simple if you follow these quick steps to solve the physics problem right now.
First, we need to calculate the total impulse by finding the area under the force time graph. This area represents the change in momentum for our 75 kilogram crate over 30 seconds. Next, we use the impulse momentum theorem, which states that impulse equals mass times the change in velocity. Since it starts at rest, we just divide the total impulse by the mass. Finally, calculating that division gives us a result of 2 meters per second. This means option A is our correct answer for the final speed. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch signs to avoid a rush. Trust given values and check steps.